Your ideal franchise candidate? What type of support do you provide to that franchisee? What's the ideal candidate that you're looking for? I'm here with a great guy, great entrepreneur. You want to introduce yourself real quick?
Dan Klaps, Voda Cleaning and Restoration.
Dan started a business, originally started a lead generation business and exited. How'd you went from there to starting Voda?
Yeah, so I've been in the franchise industry since 2014. I co-founded a lead generation company from 2016 till 2022 in the franchise industry, and then sold that business to private equity in 2022. Took some of the capital and acquired a really amazing cleaning and restoration business in Northern Virginia, and we began franchising. Now we have 72 franchise owners and 182 territories.
Tell us more about the business model and the services that you provide.
The only franchise really to do both restoration and cleaning. It's really like two franchises in one. So we go into homes and businesses to provide floor cleaning, like tile and grout, carpet, upholstery. And we do water restoration when a home or business has a water event, mold or fire. We go and we get that out and we make it good as new. It's a very great industry because it's recession-proof, pandemic-proof. It's a need, not a want.
Tell me more about who's your ideal franchise candidate.
We're very specific with who we want, Barry. We like what we call the mayor of the town, someone that loves to go out there and network and be around people. In home services, that's going to be a big part of the business, is driving relationships that want to work with you. And then while you're out there as a franchise owner doing the mayor of the town networking, we focus on all the back-end marketing, all the lead generation. As far as digital ad campaigns, we actually do for our franchise owners.
What's the ideal candidate that you're looking for?
Mayor of the town, so it's a guy or gal that loves to go out there and network. Sometimes they're a med device background, sales background, really good sales professionals.
What type of support do you provide to that franchisee?
So we do a lot of corporate. I really base everything around the 4 pillars of support. So we help our franchise owners with marketing and lead generation. We have a call center open up 24/7, answering the phones. We have a bookkeeping service. We actually do their profit and loss for them, their bookkeeping. We have a program called Talent Scout to help them with hiring people to work in the business, because none of our franchise owners have restoration experience. So we help them find an operations manager with restoration experience to run the business day to day. And then we have a dashboard system to provide them with scoreboard analytics. And then finally, we training. We train them in the field. We train them at our corporate office. We go to them and train them in person as well.
This is a great entrepreneur, great person, a great team and culture that you've created. Congratulations.